Hey, what's up guys? We update all of you doing well. So finally the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Yes, you heard it right. The OneUi 8 update is now rolling out on the non-beta and the beta users. According to Turnwatts, it is now released for the non-beta users in Korea. And soon it will be released for the other regions as well, and most probably on 25th September it will be released in other regions. And finally, you can get to see the Android 16 and the OneUi 8 update on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I really hope that they will fix the OneUi 7 glitches that were there before, like this screen lag issue that I am facing with the OneUi 7 update. In this issue, when you will lock your screen, it will lock after a 1 or 2 second delay. I know you can fix it by simply going into the display and tapping on QHD+, but that will consume more battery. As you guys can see, now that issue is fixed. But still, I hope that they will fix this issue with the OneUi 8 update. If we talk about the OneUi 8 update features and changes, so this time around we are not getting as such changes that were there before with the OneUi 7 update. In short, you can say that the OneUi 8 update will be the enhanced version of the OneUi 7 update. You will get to see that now brief option with the OneUi 8 update on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra now. And some UI changes will be made with the OneUi 8 update in the weather app. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about that the OneUi 8 update is now finally rolling out on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section that have you got the update on your device or not yet, or whenever you will get the OneUi 8 update, do inform me in the comment section below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.